Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can bring back missing microphone voice input on Samsung keyboard. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and if we want to get back the missing microphone voice input, we need to go to our keyboard setting just in case if the voice input is not active. So you're going to open up your setting and go to the general management, and in this general management you can go to the Samsung keyboard settings. Okay, then go to the voice input. Okay, then you need to activate the voice input. Here you can choose Samsung voice input or Google voice typing, and I'm just going to select this one. Okay, now the voice input has been activated, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to turn my spacebar to the voice input. If you want to do that, you can go to the swipe, touch and feedback. Then you can go to the touch and hold space bar. Then you have to select the voice input. So if we want to access the voice input, we just need to touch and hold our space bar. Okay, and I'm going to check my keyboard. Wait guys. Okay, and as you can see that the microphone is right here. If you want to access the voice input, you can click on this microphone icon, or you can tap and hold on your space bar to get the voice input. Alright guys, and that's all the way to bring back a missing microphone voice input on the Samsung keyboard. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.